guys, it's not easy to make the bed. Okay, I need to change my bed sheets now. You know, queen size is huge. That's why we need to consider when the housemaid at the hotel how hard to make the bed is. So we need to appreciate them and thank them. Thank you very much. OMG, now I did one load of laundry up and down the stairs. I need to wash my bed. I need to make my bed. Oh my God, it's hard. Help. Help. Oh my God. Ah, Mochi, help. Oh my God, you see. Oh, okay, now I need to change my bed. Shit. Okay. Oh, okay. I've been working in the hotel making beds, but making my own beds is hard. Okay, guys. Hello, Mochi. I'm not done making the bed. Can you move? Can you get down, baby? Hoy, I'm not done doing them. I'm not finished. Baby Moch, we need to get down on the floor. Mochi, I know you listen to me. I know you are. Oi, oi, Moch, you need to get down, baby Moch. I'm not done making the bed. I'm still making the bed, Mochi. Oi, I know you understand what I said. You need to get down the floor. I need to finish making the bed. Mochi, don't fall asleep. I'm still gonna do the bed. Mochi, I'm not done. I'm not done, Moch. You really tired? Why? You don't sleep all night? Like grandma? Okay, I gonna go make the bed. I gonna move you down. Okay? Yeah? I love you. You're super tired. You can sleep after I make the bed. Okay? Bye, everyone. Mochi, I just got done my bed, making my bed, and Mochi can't wait to jump in. Don't you, Mochi? And she knows that's her pillow, the little tiny one. But there's no pillowcase yet, Mochi. I wash it. Don't make it dirty, baby, okay? Are you gonna sleep now? Huh? You going to sleep? Oh, okay. I'm going to sleep. Good night, Mochi. I gonna go do laundry now. Put your pillowcase in the wash. Finally done my bed. Okay. Bye, Mochi. Good night.